I thought I'd share this with you today. It's our mineral powder and it is our biggest selling makeup item, and it suits all ages, all styles of lifestyle. So it's for your mum on the run who doesn't want a real full-on face of makeup. It's for someone, I know girls who even put a little bit on before they head out to the walk or the gym, but it is just so simple to use. So this is it. It comes in 6 different shades. So there is a shade to suit everybody, every complexion. But I'd have to say I've purposely got nothing on my face at all today, and I'm just going to pop some on one side to show you the difference. It is really just user-friendly. You can reapply later in the day. It's got a UV and an ozone pollution protectant in it. It is brilliant for just covering redness, evening out your skin tone, has an SPF component to it. So let me quickly show you. Just get a little bit on your brush, and our kabuki brush is priceless. It makes such a difference. And the trick is to go big round circles going down your face and sealing your skin. So I would probably, and I'm just going to do one side today to show you how simple and quick that is and what a difference it makes. But you can see on the other side of my face there's still some pigmentation, comes sadly with age. But the other side, it's covered pretty much most of my, and I could go out, put on a mascara and a lipstick and off, or a lip gloss, and off I would go for the day. So love our mineral powder. It just gives you a lovely finish without a thick, heavy feel. I'm the girl though that pops it on to seal my liquid foundation usually, and give longevity, stop shine. So if you've never tried our Nutrimetics mineral powder, touch base if you need help to choose your shade, but it is just the most friendly, easy, express makeover that you could do. You're in and out of your bathroom in a minute. So yeah, thought I would share that one with you today.